Hello, morning. We're at
Good
Sticky
morning.
Waterfall.
We're at the Sticky Waterfalls today in Chiang Mai. This is where we are. We're just walking down to it now. See what it's like. Sounds cool already.
Hope you enjoy the video. Peace out.
Enjoy. Yov has sock tan lines, which is hilarious. Oh, what?
This is, no, not up here, but this is slippery.
I don't know if I want to do this. And like, Loki, how do you get down? Tarzan.
I'm the arrow. I'm Oliver Queen.
Are they your sunglasses?
Oh yeah.
I'm going to rescue them. Yeah, they're low-key scratched.
Okay. Just be careful, this side here is really slippery.
Okay.
Lizard, 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 lizard.
Yep, I can feel it too.
So we have just finished at the Sticky Waterfalls. We've got to be back at our bus in how long? 10 minutes?
Yeah, about that.
So we're just literally sitting out now, drying my shorts. Yov's drying himself in the sunshine. So am I. Yeah, that was really fun. Quite slippy, and we just watched a girl like literally face plant and fall all the way down one of the waterfalls. That wasn't very nice. She was quite bruised after that, battered and bruised, but other than that, pretty good experience, I would say.
Just a quick one. We've just checked out.
I looked like I was like hopping into that.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
And we are heading to be on our way to Pai. So we'll check back in then. Hopefully,
Let's get the bus.
hopefully the journey goes alright, but we'll see. Maybe we'll see a clip of us throwing up on the bus or something. Yeah.
Don't say that. Welcome to Pai, guys.
We've just got out to our resort.
It looks so nice.
Good to us. Bungalow.
Our little bungalow. Got a little balcony area.
Come in.
Have a bed.
Oh my god, we've got a kettle.
Oh my god.
And a hairdryer.
And extension lead.
And extension lead.
Wow.
And then bathroom. Nice little. There's a pokey hole to it. Yeah. I mean, this is probably.
And your head doesn't hit the door frame.
And my head doesn't hit the door frame, so that's always a positive.
Probably the nicest place to stay.
Yeah, obviously we're going back to. So we're here for 5 days, and then we are going back on the same bus, which was questionable. It was alright. It was a lot quicker than I thought.
I thought it was going to be 4.5 hours.
Yeah.
It was really like 3 hours.
So that was quite good.
I started feeling a little bit sick, but then I just, you know, when you try and just like not think about it, and not look at the road, and then you're just looking down, just try not to even think about being sick. Kind of worked.
We'll catch up in a bit. I'm not sure we're going to get settled in, but hello. It's the next morning. Alice is looking at clothes.
Don't know.
And we are doing a little bit of shopping. We've just had breakfast. I had some eggs, some toast. Alice had a cheese toasty
With
tomato soup. And now we are just waiting to do something quite fun. I am doing my first moped lesson. And then we're potentially hiring a moped and taking it to Pai Canyon for the sunset. You getting that one?
I'm going to get black.
And if that all goes to plan, that all happens.
$550, please, sir.
And I think tonight when we get back, we're just going to chill, do some more planning and see what kind of events are going on.
Any wallet that actually zips up.
No, I love that wallet.
Yeah.
Peace out. The next clip will probably be me like crashing a bike or something.
You're having a one-on-one lesson because none of the other people have turned up on how to ride a motorbike so that we can hire one and he can drive us to Pai Canyon tonight. I really hope he doesn't crash and die. I'm scared, but I'm just tanning while this happens because can you see this pale skin? Here he goes. Kickstand. So scared. Slaying. Now he's on with him. Besties! Now he's back on his own again. He seems like he's doing alright, to be fair. He looks semi-confident. I'd maybe trust him. I mean, I'm the one that's got to sit on the back of his bike, driving up to the canyon, so let's hope he's confident. I like it when like Grab drivers pick me up on a bike, but they're professionals. Sorry. Not sure. He nearly fell off. I'm a bit bored. He's just going around in circles. Do you know what I mean? I want to go shopping. Oh wow! I didn't know that. A black top earlier. So I actually don't have a black top with me. Oh wow! I didn't know that.
How am I doing? Good, bad?
Yeah, better.
Yeah?
Practice more, maybe 10 or 20 minutes you can do.
Okay.
Outside.
Oh wow!
Okay.
He's doing alright. Yeah, what do you think?
It was weird to start off with, but I'm finding like it's mainly the balance. Like, that driving experience really helped me actually, that I did for my birthday, because it's the same with like braking a straight line, do the turn, accelerate as smooth as possible. But hopefully he lets. Can I do a little bit of practice with the gal on the back?
Yeah, but I don't have a helmet. He's going off again. Bye. Put your helmet on. Good boy. I think we're doing a bit of following. Okay, so now he's swerving in and out of cones. Ah, thank you. Yeah. I've been given a helmet. That means I'm getting on the back of his bike. Okay, so I've been given a helmet, which means that I'm getting on the back of his bike in a minute. I'm terrified. He seems to be doing quite well though. Hello.
This is the outro to whatever the next video is. It's going to be a mix. I'm sure you would have seen by now. The next one's probably going to be a bit similar, a bit of a mix. We're doing the sunset tonight, so that's going to be the start of the new video.
At Pie Canyon. We're going to drive up there on our bike. We've hired a bike.
As you would have seen. And then there's a couple other viewpoints and stuff we'll probably do tomorrow with the bike. So the next vlog is basically going to be a bike vlog.
Pretty much.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment.
Slay.
Slay. Peace out, mother.